Incremental integration testing is something that I should have done on this project, but that I didn't do. And of course, that's probably going to lead to several problems. The first problem is that the LCD screen was showing, but text wasn't displaying. And that was a very silly error on my part because I hadn't turned up the contrast on the back of the LCD unit. But in incremental integration testing, what you basically do is once you've got your whole unit working on breadboard, then you start moving individual circuits over to perfboard. So you build a circuit and then you test it with the rest of the breadboard circuitry to make sure it works. And when that works, you move on to the next part of the breadboard, move that to perfboard and test with the whole unit. Silly me, instead I drew out all the circuits, pulled everything off the breadboard, then proceeded to redesign the circuits and wire them. So I assume I'm going to run into lots of problems, but it's fine. I've got copies of the old breadboard layout if I really run into a lot of difficulty, but I certainly will be using incremental integrated testing for the next project. But now it's just a matter of testing all these circuits to make sure they work and ironing out problems.